Week 1, term 1, done and dusted.
My first week back was kind of good. Today we were doing COVID rules.
Not exactly a normal return to school.
It's been a little different, but it's manageable. It's manageable. How have you liked it?
Yeah, I liked it.
It's been fine. Yeah, the boys were tested twice and thank goodness they both came back negative.
But the minister's report card was upbeat.
I really couldn't have wished for a better start to the school year.
Very well behaved.
Twice weekly rapid antigen tests couldn't keep COVID out of the classroom, with 2,417 students and 617 staff testing positive across 438 public schools. The government says no schools had to close, student attendance rates were high, and there were enough spare staff to cover sick teachers' classes.
At this stage, we haven't had to use any of our other resources that we had in place, including final year university students or any of our department staff.
But others say the situation's not sustainable.
The government has failed to ensure the adequate staffing of schools, and now, through this third wave, is going to put an incredible amount of pressure on our schools.
More broadly, the state's recorded its lowest number of COVID infections in 9 days, with just under 10,700 new cases. There are now almost 2,500 people in hospital with the virus, including 160 in ICU. And 31 people with COVID died in the latest reporting period.
It may well be that this curve is a little bit flatter because we've blunted the peak through our action, and then it will gradually taper off.
While much of the government's focus this week has been on the youngest members of society, it's still the oldest that are being hardest hit by this virus. It was revealed today that more than half of the state's 253 COVID deaths last week were among aged care residents. Sarah Gerrathy, ABC News, Sydney.